List of customer sales orders. After you enter your sales orders, you can view list of customer sales orders. From this grid, you can view customer name, document number, customer reference, date, total discount, total, printed, and status. If you want to customize this grid by clicking this customize grid button, you can select customize grid and you can select what are the columns you required and you can tick those columns, and if you want to remove any column you can untick that column and save. Then system will display the selected column. If you want to sort this grid from particular column, you can click that column heading and you can sort. You can sort by ascending or descending order. And if you want to search anything, you can type the word here and search. You can filter your sales orders from this filter. You can filter by dated today, dated this month, delivery today, pending, invoice, like that you can filter. If you want to sort by multi-column, you can click this icon, multi-column sorting, and you can add levels. You can sort. If you want to export this grid to CSV file, you can click this icon and you can export to CSV file. From actions, you can preview, print, email, edit, delete, or create invoice, copy sales order, or you can view the history of this sales order. There are few inactivated buttons. If you tick this sales order, those buttons will activate, and if you want to delete sales orders, you can tick sales orders and delete, and if you want to print or email, you can print or email these sales orders. You can view how many sales orders available in the system. Now we have 6 sales orders. If you want to add any notes to this sales order, by clicking this icon, you can add note. If you want to attach any file, by clicking this file mark, you can add attachment. You can add attachment not exceeding 2 MB and maximum of 5 attachments.